Hello everyone, and thank you for joining on the Hook Crochet. It's Friday and time to pick our winner who has been selected from everyone who commented in the video last Monday. And this is for the giveaway, which is the kit from Mary Maxim for the placemats with the cotton yarn, and very nice kit. And I just wanted to tell y'all that I am traveling this weekend, so I will be back on Tuesday with the next giveaway, so be sure to be watching. I think it'll be Tuesday, not Monday. So I'll be traveling all day Monday, and when I get back, I'll probably not be able to do a video. So be looking for that on Tuesday and another giveaway on Friday. So things are picking up, and I just wanted to show you this, the screen where you can see that I am using this URL, which is the one for the giveaway right here. And I'm going to start it, and good luck to everybody. I hope you win. Here we go. We had 132 comments. I'm so excited. The winner is MB, aka Mary Beth Watkins, and she says, a Christmas gift, maybe a random gift for daughter-in-law parents. And I haven't bought any Mary Maxim yarn yet. Would love to try it. Well, congratulations to MB, aka Mary Beth Watkins. And you are the winner of the Mary Maxim placemat kit. So thank you for watching, everyone. And I will join you again back the first of the week. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Mary Beth, be sure to send me your email. Be sure to send me an email with your address so that I can get this shipped off to you as soon as I get back into town. Okay, I love you all. Y'all have a great weekend, and we'll see you later.